Meet Chris. He is the CIO of Venus Airlines, and he loves to play golf. He has successfully implemented some of the most complex systems for his airline. Since the airline uses a number of systems, his commercial department finds it difficult to get the data from these disparate systems to analyze their revenue and route profitability. The loyalty department wants the cabin crew to take care of their most valuable customers. Crew manager wants a more stable roster and reduced standby crew. Chris had to decide quickly as the revenue and profitability of the airline were starting to deplete. Chris contacts John at IBS and explains his problem. John sends Tim, who is a techno-functional expert, to meet Chris. Tim shows Chris a framework with a set of ready KPIs. He also shows the architecture of the solution and explains the data flow. Tim convenes a workshop with the crew department. He shows them the crew director and crew manager dashboard, which contains KPIs such as roster stability, crew utilization, standby utilization, crew productivity, and fatigue index. The crew team is excited by what they see and suggests some changes and other things they want. Tim quickly shows them how to create a new dashboard. Tim then meets the loyalty department. They want to have reports quickly for some scenarios that come up on the fly. Tim shows them the capability of NLP, which lets users type a query to make the system create reports automatically. Tim then meets the commercial and finance departments and explains the route profitability related reports. Tim puts the system in place using an iterative approach, with the first set of dashboards in place within 6 weeks. The users are happy and start using the system. They soon start creating their own reports and shares data with comments over WhatsApp and email using their phones and tablets. Tim meets Chris and explains to him what he has done and offers continuous support from an offshore team of data scientists who will continually monitor data and provide recommendations. Chris wants Tim to now step into the web analytics area to see how revenue can be improved. Tim adds a usability expert to the team and passes web analytics data to the user expert, who makes changes to the site structure to optimize it for revenue improvement. Chris is happy that the implementation exceeded the expectation of the end users and goes back to playing golf.